Hey, it's Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video. Market opens up here in less than 1 minute, so I'm going to do my best to capture some trades as they unfold live. So let's see how the day unfolds. All right, going for some shares here at 40.51 on GoPro. You can see here the gap down and looking like I'm not going to get those. Well, once again, it looks like my software, my charting is delayed compared to the quote, so I don't know what eSignal's problem is, but it's been doing that for the past couple of days. And I know some other people have reported problems like that too, so I don't know if it's kind of a universal data issue or what, but I may have to try to get on the phone with them, so I'll have to just keep that in mind. So I'll keep you updated, but I do have an introductory order down there at 40.51. We'll see if I can get filled here. So I got I got my shares there. So let's see if I can get a bounce or if I can build a bigger position. We shall see. So it's looking like it's pulling back some, which is fine by me. I just wanted that introductory portion. Try to get some at 40.26. Okay, so I got those. Looking to pick up some more shares here if I can. Still only 1,000 shares, so I mean, I'm just creeping my way into the position. So right now it looks like it's potentially trying to bounce. Throwing out some more buy orders down there. Said let's look like it's trying to bounce. My average right now is 40.39. I'm liking this candle there that's forming. Well, I did like the candle that was forming there. It's looking like it's probably going to break through 40 here. So there's the break. Okay, getting some more size down in this area, which is what I'm looking for. Fantastic. There we go. So 2,500 shares now. I like the chances of it getting back up above 40 quite a bit. On a snapback here. So let's see what happens. Getting close to breaking up through 40. So there's the break there of 40. Not gonna lie, I was hoping for a better push up through there than just what I got. I got off looks like 300 shares, but I was hoping for more than that. So now I'm gonna have to start to rethink things here. I'm not gonna go into loss mitigation mode quite yet, but like I said, I was definitely hoping for a stronger break up through 40. So let's see if we can get another one up through there and see if it wants to get a little bit better surge than what it did on that first one. So got off another chunk of them. So there we go. So I have 700 left. And now I have 100 left. No, I have 100 long. So there we go. And all out for 110. So, like I said, I didn't like that. It might still bounce here, but I was looking for that first surge to, you know, get a little bit better bounce back up. So I was right on the borderline of, like I said, needing to go into loss mitigation, loss management mode, but didn't need to. So let's see what else is out there. Actually have an order out to short some GoPro now, so I'm, you know, flipping my rolls here and now looking to build a short position. I think this is just going to be some sort of dead cat bounce here. So we'll see if I can get up there. My first order at 40.65. All right, I'm getting close to my first fill here at 40.65 on GoPro. Let's see if it can get up there or not. I'll keep you updated. All right, I actually changed the order to 41.10 as my initial entry point now, just based off some things on the chart I saw. So we'll see if it can get up there, but it's getting close. I'd like to capture the fill, but I know the video is already at 7 minutes, so okay, it's getting up close to 41. Let's see if I can capture the 41 break. Again, first entry at 41.10. Actually, I want to put another order out there at 41.25 to short some more, and 41.30. That way, if it really explodes through, I can take advantage of that. But we'll see what happens. All right, looking for a potential another entry here on GoPro at 39.70. That was his previous low over here. All right, I don't like how it's just pausing there. It's toying with me. So I'm actually going to go down lower and restart there, but didn't like how it was just pausing there and a bunch of shares were going off, me not getting filled. So I feel like it's going to be a situation where I could get filled at 70 and then it's just going to collapse right after that. So we'll see what happens. All right, I missed that one. Just took a real fast scalp. Was watching level 2s and just it's just hard to explain. So I was watching level 2s. I'll just leave it at that. And thought, you know what? If I'm quick, I can get a smooth little 5 cents there, and that's exactly what happened. You can see that right around 7 seconds. This time here is just when I put the order in. So a few seconds after I put the order in, I got filled. So literally probably about a 4 to 5 second trade, if that. Like I said, just noticed some stuff on level 2, so I took advantage of it real quick. I mean, one of those things where if I see 25 bucks just sitting on the sidewalk when I'm walking, I'm going to take that. I'm going to bend down and pick up that $25. So that's kind of what I did there with the level 2s. But like I said, happened very fast, so I apologize for not catching it on video. I do want to capture one more trade, but real quick, while there seems to be a little downtime here. One of the big questions I get is, hey Clay, how are you finding these stocks that you're trading? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I'm using to locate the stocks that you're seeing on trade. And so, it's just very concise. It's one page, so very short and to the point. It's nothing like you have to read a textbook or anything close to that. So if that sounds like something that could add some value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there and I'll email it to you. But like I said, good risk versus reward. Low risk, there's no cost to it. But hey, if it really helps you, awesome. If it doesn't, oh well, it's not like it costs you any money or anything. So again, if you're interested, how am I finding these stocks to trade? Sign up there and I'll email it to you. Have an order out here on TWTR, only 200 shares. This one, you look at the spread, very big spread, can move very quickly. So this is a risk management via just small position size at first. So even if it goes in my direction, am I going to make a ton of money? I'm not. But, you know, you got to just start off small with the ones like this that have the big spreads and can really move. So whether or not it gets all the way up there, which seems kind of crazy considering it's at 69.35 and right now it's below 68. However, like I said, this one can move very quickly. So that's a current fishing order I have out there. All right, I'm quite the slacker. Really, after the clock hit 10 a.m., it's now 10:08. I kind of just got sidetracked and haven't really been paying much attention. And I think I'm just going to wrap it up for the morning session now. $135, so nothing, you know, nothing great, by no means nothing terrible. You know, $135 for 30 minutes worth of quote-unquote work. I definitely don't want to come across as ungrateful or greedy or snobby or anything like that. That's, you know, that's awesome. But I've had better. I've also had worse. So yeah, I mean, it is what it is, but I'll take it. So hopefully you enjoyed watching. This one's a little bit longer than normal, but I know I've been in a few short ones, and I also know there's some of you out there enjoy the longer ones, so wanted to get one of these to you. So we caught a full trade, so that was good. And you know, that just really shows the power of charts. I was never panicking, I was never freaking out, just because with charts there's a system, there's a strategy, you know, there's a flow to everything. So that's why I could sit there and maybe thinking, how is he not freaking out right now? But there's really no need to freak out when you have a plan and when you have tools that can make following the plan very easy, and that's, you know, where charts come in. So I guess that's a quick little plug for my site if you want to learn, claytrader.com. So I'll leave it at that. So thanks for watching. Get out there, trade without emotion.